Hello guys, this is Shiraz Amazing Videos. Review of the 2023 GWM Tank new car. An examination of the affordable four-wheel drive for off-roaders. Chinese automakers are currently enjoying success as more and more consumers are drawn to the value they provide. Here are 5 things to know about the GWM Tank, one of the newest products. The new Tank four-wheel drive from GWM has been released. It seems appropriate. Due to its derivative vehicle styling, the Chinese auto industry has been the target of numerous jokes as well as a few legal actions. The boxy silhouette, bluff front end, and spare wheel mounted on the tailgate of the Tank may remind you of the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, Land Rover Defender, or Jeep Wrangler if you squint for a second. With flared wheel arches and 18-inch chrome rims, our test car had an imposing and tough appearance. The Tank has a tough guy appearance. The interior is slick, with air vents designed to resemble aircraft engines, imposing dual screens, and frosted metal handles and accents. The interior pays homage to recent Mercedes-Benz designs. Although the materials and finishes don't quite live up to luxury expectations, the environment is appealing and has a lot of character, which many of the competitors lack. Although the graphics on the twin 12.3-inch digital screens aren't as sharp as those on more expensive models, they are still legible and simple to use. The base Luxe model comes with faux leather upholstery, but the seats in our Ultra test car were soft Nappa leather with heating, cooling, and massaging features. The heated leather steering wheel is convenient on chilly mornings, while ambient lighting with a choice of 64 colors improves the interior's appearance at night. There is also a ton of basic equipment. It is not a phony off-road vehicle. The Tank has been built with serious off-roading in mind, including underbody guards, a proper low-range transfer case, a torque-on-demand feature, plenty of ground clearance, and good approach and departure angles. There are different driving modes for different road types, and clever technology brakes the inside rear wheel to reduce the turning circle of the car on gravel. Crawl control prevents you from scraping the underside of the car over uneven, rocky terrain, and a transparent chassis feature lets you see the ground beneath the car to help you maneuver around obstacles. While the Ultra adds a front differential, all models already have an electronic locking rear differential. It is a capable off-road vehicle with all the necessary equipment. It performs admirably on bitumen as well. While genuine off-road vehicles can feel rather ordinary on tarmac due to their heavy weight, high center of gravity, and chunky off-road tires, the Tank drives admirably at reasonable speeds. While the suspension does a passable job of absorbing bumps, the steering isn't the best in terms of feel and responsiveness, but it's adequate for family duties. When the car is only lightly loaded, the 2.0-liter turbo engine, which produces 162 kilowatts and 380 Nm, performs admirably, but we believe it might struggle if there are several children on board and a trailer is hitched to the back. It is also thirsty. The official consumption label reads 9.5 L, 100 kilometers, but in peak hour traffic, we saw 16 to 18 L, 100 kilometers. Prices begin at $46,990 drive away, and a 7-year warranty is included. The allure of the value equation. Nothing this side of a Suzuki Jimny can even come close to matching the bang for the buck of the Tank, which is advertised as cheap off-roading. Prices for the Luxe model and the Ultra start at just $46,990 drive away. The Luxe is not a budget vehicle with no standard features. It comes with a sunroof, LED head and taillights, a 9-speaker audio system, side steps, and roof rails. Comprehensive driver assistance technology includes front and rear parking sensors, a 360-degree parking camera, and other features. With genuine leather, larger wheels, premium audio, wireless phone charging, and a 220-volt power outlet with household plug, the Ultra raises the bar. With the exception of fuel costs, the Tank ownership experience is affordable and stress-free thanks to a generous 7-year warranty and affordable servicing costs.